friends, in chapter number 4, carbon and its compounds, let's go through the properties of carbon and discuss about the carbon compounds. Let's go through first question. Which are two properties of carbon which enables carbon to form a large number of compounds. Which are two properties of carbon which enables carbon to form a large number of compounds. First, we already discussed about the first property of carbon. Carbon have the electronic configuration 6. So it has 4 electrons to sharing. So we studied tetravalency of carbon. The first property, so we says us that the first property is tetravalency of carbon molecule. But the second is, now we discuss about second because we already discussed about first tetravalency of carbon. Take a question and already write the answer. Second, catenation of carbon, or you called it catenation property. Property of catenation or catenation property of carbon. Now we discuss about the catenation. The meaning of catenation says us that one carbon molecule joined with, or you called it combined with, another carbon molecule and form a chain-like structure. It is the characteristic of carbon molecule. It is called catenation. one carbon molecule can join with another carbon molecule and form a chain-like structure, big chain. So the molecule will be strong. If more than one molecules can combine together, it will be stable and it will be a strong molecule. Let's see with the example. First, carbon molecule combine with another carbon molecule and make a chain-like structure. It will be a single bond. This one. Here we can choose valency or valencies. Valency or valencies by dash sign. Meaning of dash sign means the valency or valencies. Another information says us that carbon molecule combine with another carbon molecule and make a branch-like structure. Three carbon molecule combine with another carbon molecule. This is called branch-like structure. Next is three carbon molecules, group of three first we write group of three carbon molecules combine with each other, make a ring-like structure. Next structure, four carbon molecules can combine together and make a structure like one, two, three, four. And make a ring-like structure, 5 carbon molecules one, two, three, four, 5. 4 carbon molecules, 5 carbon molecules combine together and make a structure. One, two, three, 4, 5. And 6 carbon molecules. 6 carbon molecules joined with another carbon molecule and make a ring-like structure. Here we can get single bond, six carbon molecule combine together and make a ring-like structure. This one is 6 molecule ring. This one is 5 molecules combined together and make a form of ring like structure. 4 carbon molecules make a ring like structure, combine together and make a ring like structure. 3 carbon molecule make a ring here, 3 carbon molecule. Here carbon molecule shows branch like structure. Here carbon molecule shows single bond or straight chain like structure. So we say that one carbon molecule combine with another carbon molecule and form a single straight line structure, branch like structure. 3 carbon molecules ring group, 4 carbon molecules combine together in group and make a form ring. 5 carbon molecules in the formation of ring and 6 carbon molecule in the formation of ring like structure. So we conclude us that one carbon molecule combine together with another carbon molecule and form a long chain, a big chain, because the carbon molecules have the tetravalency, so it can be combined with another molecule and make a straight chain. The structure, the capacity, the property of this type of carbon is called catenation. Which are 2 properties? The first is tetravalency of carbon molecule and second is catenation property of carbon molecule. If the question arises in 4 marks, you have to write both the properties. Here I can write only one, explain one property, because tetravalency will be seen in the last sessions. So we already know about tetravalency, but if the question arises will be in 4 mark, you have to write 2 type of properties. You have to first explain with tetravalency of carbon molecule and then second catenation of carbon molecule. Let's go through another theory. Another question discusses another theory which postulated was improved by Wöhler. Explain it with example. Which postulated was improved by Wöhler. Here Wöhler is a German scientist, Friedrich Wöhler, Wöhler, is a scientist which postulated the theory. One thing, in ancient eras, the only one thing is that in the mind of scientists and in the nature, which is non-organic or inorganic compounds can be present only in the all living organisms. In ancient eras, the one thing is that non-organic compounds can be extracted. Organic compounds can be present in the all living organism. So all organic compounds extracted only by living organisms. It cannot be made in the laboratory. It can be, all organic compounds can be made by all living organisms. But German scientist Friedrich Wöhler made organic compound urea. Let's see with the formula first. Ammonium cyanate NH4ONC. Here the NH4 is plus, O is minus. Ammonium cyanate. It can be give the heat to ammonium cyanate in the laboratory and it will be the form of urea. NH2C double bond ONH2 urea. This is inorganic compound. And this one is organic compound. What will be the representation of Wöhler is Friedrich Wöhler, German scientist, in 1826, he can take ammonium cyanide and heat ammonium cyanide in the laboratory and get a product, organic compound. He can take an example of ammonium cyanide as an example of inorganic compound, because in ancient eras the inorganic compound can be not converted in organic compound. In the case of laboratory, it will be in the find out only within the living organism. So in 1826, German scientist Friedrich Wöhler, scientist which is German, make a organic compound urea. He can take ammonium cyanide and heat it and make urea in the laboratory. Inorganic compound through organic compound in 1826. Organic compound urea. So he postulated the theory and it make a urea. We can take two questions, which are two properties of carbon which enables carbon to form a large number of compounds, and second is which postulated was improved by Wöhler. It gave with the example, we gave the example with ammonium cyanide and heat, give the heat of ammonium cyanide and make a urea.